Hey guys, welcome to Proud Animator. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to animate 360-degree rotation of a character in After Effects. So I have got a lot of requests on making a tutorial on 360-degree rotation of a full body of a character. So here it is. So this is the illustration we are going to use in this lesson. And let's check out how I have separated the layers in Illustrator to prepare the file for animation. And I'm also providing the illustration file for this tutorial, so you can collect it from link in the description and follow along with the lesson. Now we are in Adobe Illustrator, and the first thing you can notice is this shape layer. So I have created a long shape for the hair, so we are going to move it in x-axis to make the full rotation. Other than that, I have separated the layers for those elements which we need to move in After Effects independently. For example, the hand layers for both the hands, for the leg, even the foot and the body. And here there is an extra shoulder layer to properly make the shape of the body, even the neck layer, and for the facial elements as well. So this is how I have separated the layers in Adobe Illustrator to prepare the file for animation in After Effects. Now let's jump into After Effects and start with our 360-degree animation rotation. Okay, so we are in After Effects, and first we are going to pre-comp the elements of head. Then the lower body. And then inside head, we are going to again pre-comp the facial elements. Now for the facial elements, we are going to use track matte. So we are going to duplicate the face again, put it above. Let's rename it matte. And we are going to use the alpha matte. For the head, for this hair portion, we're going to again use the alpha matte. So we already have a layer over here, so we are going to use this layer as a matte. Okay, so we need to keep the ears outside this composition. Alright, and even the hair as well. Let's change these little hairs over here into shape layers. Now we're going to give some color theme over here for the layers, change the colors so that we can properly denote the layers. So let's animate the hair first. So we're going to use some rulers to properly align. So we are going to match this position for the last frame. So let's jump on to 15 frames and we're going to start our animation from this point. Let's open position and we're going to separate the dimension, and I'm going to only move in x-axis. So let's jump into next 30 frames and we're going to bring it over here. So it's the complete back view of the head. Then next 30 frames. And this time we're going to just match the position like this. So let's preview the animation. Now you can already see the 360-degree rotation. Okay, now we're going to rotate the face. So again, open the position, separate the dimension, and we're going to only move in x-axis. So this is the back view, and somewhere in between is going to be the side view. So let's jump into next 15 frames for the side view. And we're going to move it over here. So this is the side view of the character. And this is going to be the back view, and let's move it somewhere around here. And we're going to split the face expression layers, and let's move it this side. Let's jump on to next 15 frames. This is the another side view, and at this point we're going to copy and paste the initial keyframe. Okay, let's adjust the speed over here. Maybe we can move it over here. Same for this. Alright, let's check out in this composition. Yeah, you can already see this 360-degree rotation. We can slightly even adjust this timing a bit so that this thing doesn't happen. Yeah, now it's better. So now we are going to slightly adjust the position and the path of these hairs. So open the path property and we are going to adjust the shape path. So in the side view, we are going to slightly move it backward. So select the position and put position keyframe as well. And we are going to change the shape path a bit. Make it slightly straight. Then in the back view again we are going to match the path and the position exactly. And then here we are going to copy and paste the initial keyframes. Let's check out. Now we are going to animate the ears. So let's change the layers into shape layers. Okay, now we are going to open the position property and move it in x-axis. So in the side view we are going to, not in the side view, in the back view, we are going to move it over here. And we are going to match this ear's position. Now after that side view, we are going to move it somewhere around here. Or rather, in the front view, we are going to copy and paste it over here. Here we are going to split the layer and put it below. And here again split the layer and put it above. Okay, you can see something happening over here in the ear, so we are going to fix the position a bit over here. And let's change shape path a bit from here to here. The change is too abrupt. So at this position, we can slightly modify the shape a bit. So here we are going to split the layer and we are going to put it layer below the head layer. Yeah, now it's better. So we're going to do the same for the other ear as well. So let's move the head slightly when it's rotating. So I'm going to again pin the position, separate the dimension and move only in x-axis. In the side view, we are going to move it slightly this way. In the complete back view, we're going to copy and paste the initial position. In this side view, we're going to move the opposite way. And here, we're again going to copy and paste the initial keyframe. Now, we're going to animate the hands. So let's move the anchor point over here. And for this one again, so we're going to bring the hand above the body for this one, and we're going to animate it in position. So separate the dimension and put a keyframe on x-axis, and then we're going to move it this side. Also add some rotation. So we're going to put keyframe on rotation, and we're going to rotate this side. And here we are going to match the initial position. So this is how it is going to look. Now when it's over here, we're going to split the layer because this portion is below the body layer. Now let's check out. Alright, now we're going to do the same for the other hand. So the hand portion is done. Now we're going to fix the shoulder over here. So let's change the layer into shape layer. And we're going to adjust the path. So in the side view, we're going to put it over here like this. And in the back view, we are going to copy and paste the initial keyframe. Again over here as well. And in this view, another side view, we are going to copy and paste the side view keyframes. Okay, now in between we need to add some in between keyframes to fix these issues. And again, we're going to adjust the path of this body layer as well. Let's convert it into shape layer again. Let's put a keyframe in side view and one in back view. So in this back view and the front view, we're going to shrink the body a bit. Alright, so with this the body rotation is also done. Now the lower body rotation is only left. Now the process for the lower body rotation is pretty similar to what I have done over here for arms. We're going to move it in x-axis again. So let's select this foot and let's change the foot layers in shape layers. And let's parent it with its consecutive legs. So let's put a position keyframe over here. One for this side view, one for back view, one for the other side view, and one for the front view. Alright, so we're going to move it in the x-axis. And we're going to change the shape path of this foot layer. So this is the side view, and again for the back view we're going to copy and paste the front pose. Again for the other side view we're going to invert it. And here we are going to copy and paste the initial keyframe. And we are going to do the same for the other foot. So the lower body rotation is also done. So like this you can animate a 360-degree rotation of a character in After Effects. And I have also provided the illustration file of this character. You can collect it from the link in the description. Do collect it and try it on your own. That is it for this video. If you like the video, then make sure to hit the like button. If you have any doubt regarding the lesson, then make sure to comment down. I would be happy to help you out. And if you are here for the first time, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification button to stay notified for all future updates. Until then, goodbye.